In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix TikTok no internet connection problem. The process is simple, so before we begin, first make sure you're connected with the internet, and once you are connected with the internet, open up your Play Store application. So now once you are here on Play Store, type in TikTok and search for the app. So now once you've searched for the app, if your TikTok app is not up to date, you will see the option that says update right here. But if it is up to date, you will see the option that says open. So now once you are done updating your TikTok app, go out of the application and go to your phone settings. Now once you're on your phone settings, what you need to do right here now is to click on apps and notifications. So now once you are here, click on app info. So now once it brings you to this page, what you need to do is to search for TikTok app. Now once you've seen your TikTok app, click on it. Then you'll now see the option that says storage and cache. Click on it. What you need to do here is to clear your cache for this to work. So if you cannot find app info on your phone, let me show you another method. You go back. So now once you are here now, you will see the option that says storage. You click on it. Once you click on storage, now click on the option that says other apps. Now once you click here, now search for your TikTok application. Now simply clear the cache. So now once you are done clearing the cache, your internet connection should work properly. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.